Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Rocket Apartamento espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a little bit of work. We had to adjust the water level valve of the boiler, the water level sensor of the boiler, as it was a little bit too high and it was producing a very wet steam. We also had to adjust the pressure of the machine, and right now, as you can see, machine is at 1.2 bars. There you go, which is very stable and is not overheating, as we really tested this machine extensively throughout the weekend. So yeah, that's what we did. We deep clean all around it, especially around this E61 group head. There was a kind of like film that it was a little bit like kind of oil or something. We removed as much as we could, and as you can see, it looks pretty good, nice and shiny. We also deep cleaned the group head completely, removed the entire gasket of the and the shower screen of the machine. As you can see, this is the older one of the machine. You can kind of see the cracks in there. There you go. It's already cracking, and the shower screen is completely clogged. So we replaced those two, deep clean everything, backflush the machine, descale the machine, which means we had to descale the boiler and the heat exchanger of the machine as well. We also cleaned the steamer one and the hot water one as well. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test the machine out. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of this machine, otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Now I am using a portafilter, a bottomless portafilter. This is not the portafilter of the machine, so it's going to be a bit different. It's a little bit harder to use these portafilters, as you really need to tamper very well, otherwise you're gonna see a bunch of spraying through here instead of a nice steady stream coming out through the portafilter itself. So hopefully I pick up the right grind series of this machine, and let's see how it goes. Nice steady stream. Let's stop it right here. And as you saw, probably need to tamper a bit more to get that perfect crema and get a much more slower flow. But even so, we still got a nice shot of espresso. You can see that beautiful crema on the top of the shot. It's a little bit on the longer side, as this is a little bit more than 2 ounces, but still a pretty good shot of espresso. Nice gentle shower comes from the shower screen, as you can see, beautiful. Steam, no longer wet, and steaming the way it's supposed to. Really strong, working amazing. And hot water for this machine as well, working great. So there you have it, Rocket Apartamento working once again, tuned up and ready to brew. So thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.